So this is not a Fridget game, and I don't know about you, but a lot of the boxes, shipping boxes, have these little popping wrapping paper. So this is actually the one that never ends. Let's see how it works. It doesn't have the popping bubbles like the wrapping paper effect, that it's like the whole bubble. This just little, still relaxing, but not enough. There's no instructions. I thought that it actually has the bubble. It's popping on both sides, so I can pop it. But this is basically just create like this. Okay. I guess I don't know if you can use it as a coaster, but maybe that's a possibility too. It's actually fun though.